The PGD2875 is part of Titan's consumer line of post drivers, which are essential for any basic post driving job. They are powered by a standard 1.2 horsepower 4-stroke engine and come backed by a 1-year limited warranty. The PGD2875 has a 3¼ barrel. It includes 1-inch and 2-inch barrel adapters, allowing you to drive any variety of posts from 3/4 inches to 3 inches in diameter at 2,000 beats per minute. At only 28 pounds, the PGD2875 is the lightest gas-powered post driver on the market and our easiest driver to lift, move, and carry down the fence line. Titan drivers are equipped with dampening springs to lessen vibration to the operator, and the handles are designed for comfort. Titan drivers allow for all-day use with minimal operator fatigue, saving time, money, and your back. The driver includes all that you see here and comes in a convenient rollable carry case. These drivers are 100% self-contained. The need for hoses and power sources is eliminated, which saves money. For commercial jobs of 1,000 posts or more, we recommend the commercial post drivers. For more information, visit TitanPostDrivers.com.